Before we start off with the video, make sure to buy our merch from Ike's group called Behind My Screen Live, and I love it because it's so cute and it's sunflower. Yeah, and we'll also be Ike is also still doing the pink berries, the white skies, and yeah, but for now she's still doing the sunflowers. So go get it, guys, so we can maybe notice you. Hey sunflowers, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hey sunflowers!
Okay. Today we are playing Tarf Heck, and we are doing whoever wins, like most wins, whoever have most wins will, oh my gosh, will get a pet from Adopt Me, a free one. Okay, so let's start. I can stop skipping. No more skips.
You went without me.
Okay.
That's cheating.
Wait, Ike, come back. We have to do 3, 2, 1.
No.
Then you are cheating. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! I might lose because I'm like bad.
But she's 20 levels. Like how? She's this bad. How is she 20 levels?
Because I play more than you.
You were good before and now you're bad. And
I know.
Was bad before and now I'm good.
I know. No, I hate this. I just hate this. I just hate this! See, that's what I hate about. Ha! She died. Ike! Stop!
You hate it too. It's a good thing for you.
But like, stop. No more cheating.
Yes.
No. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm scared.
Yay.
Hello.
Hey girl.
Hey girl. No!
You're bad because you play with WWACS.
What do you mean?
I play with the control button and the arrows.
Oh. I don't. I like to play with mouses. Guys, also comment down below what devices do you play with? Do you play with computer, a PC? Actually, computer and PC is the same. I'm so dumb. Okay. A computer or a phone or an iPad. Like, yeah.
I don't know how to play with mobile. I don't know why. It's just so hard for me.
It's like, you know, like when parents don't buy you like computer, but you have a mobile, but like, yeah, and then you, oh my, stop it, Ike, and then like you start to be good at mobile. Like, it's so weird. Like, me, no, I'm only good at
like,
computer.
I am not good at mobile at all. I have been having a mobile for 13 years because I was born and now I'm 13. So I have been having it for 13 years and I still don't know how to play.
But Nelson play with a mobile, so yeah, he would know. What am I doing?
He gets everything right. And in Teresa's next video, we're gonna play Among Us in Roblox. And why I'm not posting on my channel? It's because my camera is broken.
Yup. And also, guys, here's a little secret, I guess. So we are going to do a movie.
Hey!
I can't just keep secrets, you know. I really need to tell our fans. Oh my gosh.
It's not a secret. It's a good thing.
I know, but like, we're going to do 2 movies, and those two.
I did it.
I don't like you. And those 2 movies, you're gonna like. You guys are going to like rate. You guys are going to. We're gonna see which movie do you want us to do first. And we're not really doing it yet because we're doing the movie in Ike's like YouTube channel, but like Ike's camera is like something happening. So we're gonna have to wait, and also we already did one of the part ones.
Whenever I film, like my camera's fuzzy.
Like, yeah, it's like you know, like glitching.
It's like a broken TV. You know what I mean? Like it glitches.
It's like very
I made it to the top. I made it to the
No. But like 3 rounds or 2 rounds.
Yeah, I was about to say that.
3 rounds or 2 rounds, cause
So we're gonna see how many times we made it to the top in the chat because it shows like imagine Lucy Fox 7 made it to the top. TDONG_7 made it to the top. Like that. So
no, Ike! I was making it. That's why I hate you.
I died, so you're gonna win.
No! Ah!
Or lose this one.
You're gonna win. She already said Imagine 3, 4, 5, 7 has it. Stop skipping! I'm just gonna shout.
If you buy a private server, the only thing you're gonna be addicted to is the skip button.
Like literally, she keeps skipping.
My finger just goes there.
Like she's like. Oh my gosh. This is getting scarier and scarier!
Oh, you're good at this.
No, I'm not.
You're good at this.
I almost died. I'm almost died, girl. I almost died. Like, I almost died,
Yeah,
girl.
that's because you were talking to me. I have bad luck for you, but I have good luck for myself.
The heck?
So, did you fall?
I did it. I might fall because I don't like this. I don't like this. I was almost winning. I just need one more stage and I win, but I lose. That's why I don't like Ike. Ike has bad luck. And also,
I died too, so we have.
now what? I was gonna say.
Fire merch, it will support us so much.
Yep. Like, stop it! Like, stop it! When I made it, I made it.
I don't like the yellow cheese block.
Same. So, you can do that. No. 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 Ha! That's what you get for keep skipping.
So, what she was gonna say is that you guys are
Okay. No!
right?
What did you say?
No? You are not gonna say that they're pretty?
I was gonna say they're pretty. Like, they're like so pretty. Like, whoever's watching this, you guys are amazing, beautiful, pretty. Amazing, beautiful, pretty. you guys are also smart.
Don't let the bullies bring you down.
Because, like, the bully sucks. You suck, bully.
The other day, I was in Zoom class, and then, like, my teacher asked me a question, and, like, I didn't know it, and everyone was, like, laughing at me and calling me a loser. So I got peer pressure, and then I pretended the Wi-Fi cut out, and then I just closed my Wi-Fi, and I cried.
No! I guess you're gonna win.
I'm gonna lose. I hate this level.
You're gonna win. You just need one more stage.
When should I jump?
I don't know.
When should I jump? How did I do that? How did I do
Did you just did it? Did you did it?
I'm a magician.
Don't. Ike, stop freaking skipping.
There's your favorite color.
No? Yellow's my favorite color.
Your favorite. I know. That was a joke. You're yellow. Your shirt is yellow. It was a joke. Like I said, there was a yellow because your shirt was yellow.
What? I don't understand you, but
It's
okay.
an inside joke. It sounded more funnier.
Yeah, but it's not. You tried to do a joke but failed. Embarrassed.
That's why you have bad luck and I have good luck. I'm nice.
You're ugly. Oh, I hate this. I just hate this. I hate this.
Have you guys like watched Let's Play and like Ricky lately? Because like Ricky has been making it to the top, just like
Yeah.
throw me on the same level.
No! I did it! Yeah, I did it! I did it! I did it! Ooh, I did it! Yeah, I did it! Ooh. Wait, what?
No, I was at the top and I fell.
Oh! You fall. Ooh, I like this one.
So you made it to the top once, I made it to the top once. We only have 2 times to race, and we'll see who wins.
Actually, one time, because the time is almost off.
So we're gonna do like whoever does it like wins it 2 times wins.
Frick yes.
You know what I mean?
Frick yes. Frick yes. Frick yes!
Why do you keep saying it?
Because I don't want to die. I want to win. I don't want to give any of my pets.
You're a chicken.
No! You can't be that chicken.
You're a chicken. I'm a pig.
And Kayla's a paper. Look, she's so thin. Like, I'm telling the truth. She's a paper. Like, a freaking paper.
He's so thin. I hate this one.
I love this one. Actually, I kind of hate this.
You fell like you fell.
Mama! 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 Oh my gosh, my computer is with water. Like, my computer's gonna broke.
Guess what?
What?
Guess what?
What?
Guess what?
You made it!
Guess what? Now stop the video there.
Guys, we'll be right back. So guys, I'm gonna give Ike my frog. And also I have 4 frogs, but now I'm only gonna have 3 frogs. So yeah.
Oh my god, 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 oh my god.
She fall. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. And also, yeah, stay awesome, stay sweet.
And Teresa doesn't know how to speak. She doesn't know how to explain anything. She doesn't know how to explain anything. She says this is a that and a thing and a thing and a thingy and a thing like the thing. So bye guys.
Okay. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, click that notification bell, and also stay sweet, stay awesome, don't bully people, and stay safe from coronavirus. And yeah, bye guys. And also guys, ignore the thing what my mom just said.